Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's been making waves: Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers. If you've ever struggled with keeping the gap between your stove and countertop clean, you're not alone. That's where Linda's Essentials comes in, offering the best stove to countertop gap filler available in the market. Let's explore why these gap covers are a game changer. First off, let's talk about durability and safety. Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers are crafted from top-quality silicone material, ensuring they're heat-resistant and built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy alternatives. These covers are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, giving you peace of mind in the kitchen. But what sets these covers apart is their simplicity. Installing them is a breeze. They sit perfectly in place on all stovetops, adapting to any uneven spaces with ease. And with their non-slip flexible silicone, you won't have to worry about them budging once they're in place. Plus, they're customizable. Simply cut to size using scissors for a perfect fit. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Keeping your kitchen clean has never been easier. These gap covers feature a matte black, anti-dust, and smudge-resistant design, ensuring they stay looking pristine even after multiple uses. And here's the best part: they're dishwasher safe. Or, simply wipe them down with a damp cloth for quick cleaning. In summary, Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers are the ultimate solution to keeping your kitchen clean and organized. With their unbeatable durability, ease of installation, and hassle-free maintenance, they're a must-have for any home chef. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!